Hello, little explorers! Today, we're going on an adventure to learn about a feeling called loneliness and discover how to make new friends. Sometimes you might feel lonely when you're by yourself, but every day brings a new chance to meet someone wonderful. Meet Lola and Sam. Lola sometimes feels a bit lonely when she plays alone, and Sam, who is new in town, is looking for a friend. Watch as our story unfolds in the playground. Loneliness is a feeling we all experience sometimes. It happens when we miss sharing our games, stories, or smiles with someone. Feeling lonely means that you care about having friends, and that is perfectly normal. One day, Lola saw Sam sitting by himself near the sandbox. Summoning her courage, she walked over and said, "Hi, would you like to join me for a game of tag?" Sam's face lit up, and he replied with a cheerful smile, "Yes, I'd love to." In that moment, a new friendship began. Here are some magical tips to help you make new friends. Smile and say hello. A warm greeting can brighten someone's day. Share your toys and ideas. Sharing makes playtime more fun for everyone. Invite someone to join your game. A simple invitation can start a new friendship. Be kind and listen. Showing care and attention helps build strong bonds. Look at all these happy friends. When you share your smile and kindness, you create a world full of joy and friendship. Even when you feel lonely, remember that a friendly gesture can make a big difference. Thank you for joining this magical adventure. Remember, if you ever feel lonely, just reach out and say hello. A new friend might be waiting just for you. Until next time, keep smiling and spreading friendship wherever you go. Thank you for joining us on this magical adventure with Lola and Sam. If you enjoyed our story, please hit that subscribe button, give us a thumbs up, and share the video with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to Kids Kite for more fun and exciting adventures. Also, write a comment below and share your opinion. We love hearing from you. Until our next adventure, keep smiling and remember, you are never alone.